Good morning to all of you. I am Pooja Singh, faculty SIRTX department. Today I am going to discuss about the power system economics. So there are three types of power system economics, having three types of cost: fixed cost, semi-fixed cost, running cost, and operating cost. So a fixed cost is always equal to annual expenditure and land, machine, etc. Semi-fixed cost is in interest, civil work, tax, insurance, and it can be vary year by year. And running cost is also known as operating cost, like cost of fuel, lubrication, oiling, and maintenance. This total cost is equal to total cost of the electricity, like E is equals to A plus B kilowatt plus C kilowatt hour. So we can see here A is a fixed cost that can never vary, and B is kilowatt, that is semi fixed cost. It also can variable, and third is C, that is kWh, that means it can be changed per hour rating. So use of fuels, maintenance, lubrication, oil, and all things are included in such kinds of cost. So we are going to solve a numerical problem on such kinds of problem. So a generation station has a connection load of 23 megawatt and maximum demand is 20 megawatt, the unit generated being 61.5 into 10 to power 6 per annum. So calculate demand factor, average demand, and load factor. The maximum demand is, as we know, maximum demand is 20 megawatt and connected load is 23 megawatt, unit generated 61.5 into 10 to power 6 kilowatt hour, and average load is equal to unit generated per annum in kilowatt hour upon 24 into 365. So this is all numerical value which is put in here, and the average demand is equals to 7020 kilowatt. So next is demand factor. As we know that demand factor, maximum demand upon connected load. So maximum demand is 20 and maximum connected load is approx 23. So it can be 0.869. So next is average demand, that is 7020 kilowatt, and fourth one is load factor. Load factor is always equal to average load upon demand factor. So it is approx 35.1%. So by this method we can calculate all the demand of electricity throughout the year, throughout the month, throughout the days, and throughout the week. So by this method we can calculate all kinds of electrical energy and generation by this method. Thank you so much.